All right, good morning.
Good morning.
All right, I was looking at the 15-minute chart up, and yesterday I put this Fibonacci on here from the low to the high. We came down to the 50%, bounced up, didn't break the high, and now we're coming back down. So there's a good chance we can come all the way down to 538. That's what I'm kind of thinking. I got into a short this already just on my Apex account. And I'm going to put him down here a ways. Probably get taken out at open. Let me make sure I'm set up right. I should have already done that, but oh well. There we go.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Yep. So anyway, I was looking for some support and resistance areas on the 15-minute chart. I always like to kind of draw these guys before market open and, look at something like that and look at something like this. And those would be my two resistance support, at least for a little while. See what happens. If not, then I got to be thinking, well, I already have one up here. Probably another one would go right here. About there, I guess. Probably look at that a little closer. Yeah, that's what I would do. So, okay, let's see how it plays out. So anyway, there's my thing. So here's my short that I got going. I took one off already. And if I go like this and go to all charts, that way everybody has it. You can see I'm lined up right at the 61.8, which would be good enough. If we got down there, that'd be 70, 80 points. I'd take that. But I think that open will probably come up and stop me out. So I'll just let it go in a little while and see what happens. This is the problem with pre-market is, I don't want to, would I just give up this $400? Not really, no. I wouldn't want to. Coming down to the 38.2 here. I always like to use the 5-minute candles. If we close below them, then I think we're going to the next level. As an example, if we close below a 5-minute, below 897, then to me 568's in play. And then if we close below that, then 538's in play, and da da da. I call this like zone 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's the way a lot of times I'll play my fibs. So yesterday I showed how you can use the fibs as far as the high, and then when we break that zero line, you can take it long and then use that as your stop. So there's a bunch of ways to play. All right, typical bounce, 38.2. Again, I'm not expecting much for this, just because we're pre-market. Getting ready to open in 10 more minutes. So probably should have just took the $400. I only got 100 locked in. Let's see, 618. Yeah, it's not much. So we'll see how it plays out. 618, 617.75, I think it is the prior 5-minute high. So I could bring this down just a hair more. And maybe not that. So anyway, I probably won't be taking, summer. Look at it, it's summertime. The way I look at it is, let's go back to chat. It's summertime, and I don't want to put a lot of risk on. We got the last week of summer basically, so I want to play small, play a little defensive. I'm in no great big hurry. Let's see if I can put up downloads. Oh, I was playing yesterday. Weekly, here you go. So this is, let's see if I can get this going. Yeah. All right, they're going to take me out, looks like. So this is where I stand as of yesterday. Not a great day yesterday. But I'm okay with that. My system is running at 60 to 73%. Okay, got taken out there. And I'm okay with these small little days. It's okay. You get a decent day and everything's good. Small day, okay, I'm just hanging out, waiting. My goal is for the next 3 days is out of these 2 days is to pick up another $2,000 day. 1,500 to 2,000 I'd be happy with. On these 2 days, that would get me into the 24 to 25K range for the week, and nothing wrong with that. I'll take that every week of the year. All right. So times 52, that's a pretty good number. Or let's say 50. That's 1.25. That's not a bad zip code to be in. So that's where I'm at. We'll see how today goes. I'm not going to force anything. We got NVIDIA tonight, and NVIDIA earnings tonight. So, I don't know what tonight or today's going to entail. Maybe we just hang out and wait. Maybe it's volatile. I have no idea. So we have 28, right? Let's see. Today we have, I guess, preliminary unemployment claims. That should be tomorrow, right? Or was that today? Okay, now I'm going to. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the next 7 trades I think I took, just all scalps, roughly. So I've got, I'll play along as I go. So here's the first one. I'm going to try a little short here, I think. And I'm going to come down to the pivot, see if I can get there. Come on, baby. Yeah. Got to stay below VWAP in order for that to play out. There we go. See if I can grab. Oh, wasn't quick enough.
Wiki.
Yep. Come on down, baby. So I can get 13 or so again. take a little 10 points. There you go. All right. Locked in 10.
Yep. That's cool.
Oh, you sucker fish. Come on back. All right. There we go. I'm out. All right, there you go. Probably should have taken that. He said, okay, we'll try it again. We're at the midnight open there.
Yep. Just above the midnight open, we've got the 50% flip on the Mount High.
All right, drop down one time. I'll lock in whatever I can lock in. There we go. That's 200. Let's see if I can lock in 200. Come on, keep going down a little more. Nope. Okay, now a lot of times I'll take target one as we come down through it. I wish I was a little closer, maybe 3 or 4 more points above. They're going to take me out, are they? And I'll use it to hopefully go down to the next target. And I'll just kind of use it as a stop, just like that. Look at that. Bingo, bango. Pick up another couple hundred. So that's the way I use. That's the way I use like the different targets from the 1 minute opening range. Opening range, which is this guy. Put some lines up there. So okay, and then make a line like this, and then put it down right here. See that? Lines up with that one, and this one lines up with this one. That's all you got to do, and then you can just put a little dotted line. So here's target one. Look how it respects target one. I mean, it's not bad. I could have taken it again. Right, I'm up $930 on a couple little scalps. Screen time. That's how you're. In fact, I might even play something like this. I'm just playing one contract. I'm up 930, so I'll give up $200. Okay.
There's your 31 break.
Yep.
And see ya.
I'm gonna take 200 here, I think. Well, took 180 or something.
$60.
We do have a sell gap up here, 566. Fair value gap, 584. Right now, looks like our cumulative total is pushing up. Let's see if I can snag 10 points. Come on, baby. Yeah, a little too close. But I'll respect the 10 points. I have no problem in taking that loss. Come on, just fly up there and get 570. Little scalp. I'll take that. All right, so my little scalping up 12.10 now. There we go. We'll see how it plays out, if it plays out.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm sitting here, about 512.75,
and I got a limit order in. And what's going to happen is it's going to blow right through the limit order. It's not going to take it. That was my mistake. I should have used a market order. I blamed Rhythmic, which was incorrect. It was my issue. But anyway, I didn't get my 2,000 that I was planning on getting today through this trade. So it is what it is. Next time I will not make that mistake.
Based on history.
Oh boy.
Ooh, mama.
Look at that. That's Rhythmic right there, huh? Rhythmic trading. Not taking either one of those orders.
Really?
Nope.
Wow.
I did not get in. So what I normally shoot for is a 20 point on 3 contracts, 20 points, 30 points, and 50 points. We ended up going like 60 something points down. I think, I can't remember the exact number all the way down, but it was a pretty good number at any rate. Oh. So anyway, I tried to, this number, if I would have taken it correctly, with 3 contracts, I'd take 20, 30, and 50. And it actually went down like 60 something points. So I would have gotten my $2,000 for the day, which is what I was shooting for, times 4 accounts, and Bob's your uncle, and it would have been good. But unfortunately, I used a limit instead of a market, and that's what happens. So anyway, that was my day. I can keep going, but it's just ugly. I took a little stop there, $200 loss, and then I started doing a little scalping to try to get them up to a positive. And then hold on a second. So here I'm negative, $78 or something like that on 4 accounts. And then I did a little scalping, and here's what I ended up with. So here's my final number, 596 or something like that. Just doing little scalps, and that was my day. So I was happy. At least I closed it out positive, and another day in the books and another little learning session. So I'll do market from now on, and yeah, my system so far is running around 70% win rate. This month in August is right around 39,000. So pretty good play. So tomorrow I got 2 more days left. Let's see how it ends up in the month, and go from there. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. The people that showed up, thank you for showing up, and yeah, hopefully tomorrow will be a better day, and I'll get my 2K at least one of the 2 days. Now I'm down to just 2 days. Okay, I got one day I can get it. So, and I'd be happy with that. So, all right. Thank you for watching.